Create your little courageous keychain buddy, Roaring Fluff. Hello and welcome back to Ochives. To create your furry flatty, you will be needing the following materials. Using your 4mm crochet hook and light brown yarn, create a slip knot and chain 7. Round 1. Hook in 2 single crochets or single crochet increase in the second chain from the hook. Half double crochet in the same chain. Double crochet in the next 4 chains. Half double crochet in the next chain. Single crochet increase in the same chain. Single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Round 2, chain 1. Single crochet increase in the first stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Three double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Three double crochets in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet increase in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Slip stitch in the first stitch using your black yarn. Turn your work. Let's now create Roaring Fluff's mane. Round 1, chain 2. 5 half double crochet popcorn into the same stitch. To create your half double crochet popcorn, yarn over and insert your hook into the designated stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Repeat this 5 times. Remove your hook from the loop and insert your hook into the back of the first stitch and into the loop of the last stitch. Pull the loop through. Chain 1. Half double crochet increase in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern 6 half double crochet popcorn in the next stitch. Chain 1, half double crochet increase in the next stitch. Repeat this 9 times. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Round 2, chain 2, half double crochet onto the top of the popcorn. And repeat this pattern. Half double crochet increase in the next stitch. 6 half double crochet popcorn in the next stitch. Chain 1. Repeat this 9 times. Slip stitch in the top of the turning chain. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. Create one more, this time leaving the yarn uncut, with the right side facing up. Turn Roaring Fluff's front upside down. The narrow portion of the front is the top of the head. Take the safety eyes and attach it in between the first double crochet stitch and the half double crochet stitch in the first round, spaced 3 double crochet stitches apart. Create the nose by sewing in 2 horizontal lines using your cream yarn in the middle double crochet stitch in between the eyes. To create the mouth, insert your needle into the stitch below the nose line and reinsert underneath the nose strands. Repeat for the other mouth curve on the other side of the nose, weaving in any loose ends. Take the back portion and match and align with front portion, with the wrong sides together. With the uncut yarn, join with a slip stitch and chain 1. Single crochet both sides of the front and back parts of Roaring Fluff together. Work your way to the center of the top of Roaring Fluff's head. Upon reaching the center part, fasten off and insert the yarn into the bottom of the keychain and single crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the remaining stitches and spaces in the round. Slip stitch in the beginning chain to join. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. Let's now create Roaring Fluff's ears. Using your light brown yarn, create a slip knot and chain 3. Round 1. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Half double crochet in the same chain. For half double crochets in the next chain. Single crochet in the next stitch. Slip stitch in the first stitch to join. Fasten off and leave a 4-inch tail for sewing. Position and sew the ears on top of Roaring Fluff's mane in between rounds 1 and 2, positioning them 2 half double crochet popcorns apart. Weave in any loose ends. Until the next video, thank you for watching and happy crocheting.